everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today is again a requested video by a subscriber from a very long time to make a charcoal face wash for acne prone skin, for skin brightening, to cleanse the skin. So today we are going to be making a gel charcoal face wash, and the basic formulation is going to be shared as usual in the description box. For the advanced ones, if you want to sell your products, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box for the workshop details. So we'll quickly start now. Here I have taken my water phase and I have taken my surfactants, which will give us the lovely lather to this gel face wash. Now here I have taken my cocomidopropyle betain, I have taken a little cocoa glucoside, and we will just mix this so that the surfactant blends in well. And here in my water phase I have taken my water and I have used a little bit of glycerin to this. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and quickly add our water phase into our surfactant phase. I have not used any solid surfactants because this is much more easier to make and no heating is required in this as well. And I have added the water in the surfactant, and now we'll just gently mix the water and the surfactant together. Okay, so now this is how a solution looks after mixing the water along with the surfactant. And now we want to thicken this a little more into a very nice gel consistency. So here I have already taken my gelling agent, I have diluted it with a little bit of water, and I'm going to go ahead and add this to my solution. Now you can also go ahead and use Xanthan gum clear, make a solution of that and use it in the mixture to thicken your gel. And we'll just let this nicely hydrate into our face wash. I'm also going to go ahead and add my activated charcoal powder here so that everything mixes in well together, and my preservative. We'll just give it a gentle mix and we'll leave it for a while to nicely combine. And once all the ingredients, everything combines well, I will show you how our gel looks. Okay, so now we've kept the solution for a while to thicken, and if you all can see how beautifully this has thickened now into a lovely thick gel. And now, just to give it an exfoliating effect, I'm going to be adding a little bit of charcoal beads to this, since this is a charcoal face wash, and we'll just mix it and I'll fill it into my container. So we've mixed all the beads well. Once the solution completely clears off, all the charcoal beads will be easily seen in the solution. I'll just go ahead and put this in the bottle so you all can see how viscous and thick this gel is, and it has an excellent lather that you will get. Okay, so now I have filled our face wash in this bottle, and it's ready. So I'll just show you how the viscosity is. It's a lovely thick gel, and it has all these lovely charcoal beads in it, if you all can see the beads. So it has this lovely charcoal beads which gives an excellent scrubbing to your skin. So this is it with our charcoal face wash that we've made today, our exfoliating face wash. And friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.